Right. Hare Krishna, everyone. Let's do the open prayers. Om.
ज्ञानं ते
अज्ञानतिमिरन्दस्य ज्ञानजनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपं कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकम् वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरुं श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरुन् वैष्णवंश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगणा रघुनाथवितं तं सजीवम् साद्वैतं सवाद्वैतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवम् श्रीराधा कृष्णपादां सहगणा ललिता श्रीविशाखावितांश्च हे कृष्णा करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कान्ता राधाकान्ता नमोऽस्तुते ताप्तकाञ्च गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामी नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 हरि बोल हरे कृष्णा एवरीवन हरे Hare Krishna, Pihu. Good to have you. Shivani was just sitting here and she's back. See, Pihu is here. Yes, Sohani, you got the hands up. Yes, please.
Can I do Nashima?
Very nice. Let's do Narasimha Aarti, please. Okay, Sohani will do and we will follow. Go for it, Sohani, please.
Namaste Narasimhaya
Namaste
Narasimhaya
Maya
Prahlada
Prahlad
Hiranyakashipu
Hiranyakash Vakshara
Sankanakalaya
Shila Nakalai Ito Narsimo Parito Narsimo
Yato yato yamito nashima
Yato Yato Yami Tato Narsima
Ahe nashimo regaye nashima
Mahe Narsima Hirane Narsima
Narashima devi saranapate
Narasimharam Jaranam
Prapate Avakar kamala vare Naka Adhika Sindha Lalita Hiranyakashipu Ganga
तब कर कमल रागा अद्भुत श्रृंगार ललिता हिरण्यकशिपुतनु भृंगा
जगदीता नर हरि रूपा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे
केशव देता नर हरि रूपा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे
जय नरसिंहदेव 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 जय नरसिंहदेव
जय नरसिंहदेव 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 जय नरसिंहदेव
प्रहलाद महाराज प्रहलाद महाराज प्रहलाद महाराज जय प्रहलाद महाराज
जय प्रहलाद महाराज प्रहलाद महाराज प्रहलाद महाराज जय प्रहलाद महाराज
जय प्रहलाद नरसिंह जय प्रहलाद नरसिंह जय प्रहलाद नरसिंह
जय प्रहलाद नरसिंह जय प्रहलाद नरसिंह जय प्रहलाद नरसिंह जय प्रहलाद नरसिंह
जय लक्ष्मी नरसिंह जय लक्ष्मी नरसिंह जय लक्ष्मी नरसिंह जय लक्ष्मी नरसिंह
जय लक्ष्मी नरसिंह जय लक्ष्मी नरसिंह जय लक्ष्मी नरसिंह
नित्य गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल नित्य गौर
निताय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल निताय गौर हरि बोल
जय प्रभुपाद प्रभुपाद प्रभु जय प्रभुपाद
जय जय प्रभुपाद 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 जय जय प्रभुपाद
जय गुरुदेवा 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 जय गुरुदेवा
जय गुरुदेवा गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा गुरुदेव महाराज की जय नरसिम्हदेव की जय प्रहलाद महाराज की जय भक्त वृंद की जय हरे कृष्णा एवरीवन सो गुड टू हैव यू ऑल हरे कृष्णा हरे हरि बोल and Jay would you like to do Hare Krishna Mahamantra please
Yes, sure.
please
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Rama.
Hare Krishna Hare
Hare
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Hare
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Bol Hare Krishna thank you so much Yes.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare
Hare Krishna, Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna
Hare
Hare
Hare,
Hare,
Hare
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare.
Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama,
Hare Krishna, Hare
Hare Krishna.
Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hari Hari Bol. Hare Krishna. Thank you so much. Such a pleasure to have you, everyone. And we will, if somebody else would like to do it, we will do it at the end. And let's continue to our class. Who remembers what we were doing? Okay, Shivani is saying we were doing Dash Avtar. Is that right? We were doing Dash Avtar. Anybody knows what Dash Avtar means?
The 10 incarnations.
The 10 incarnations. Yes. Very nice. Abhi. Very nice. So,
Prabhu,
yes, please.
you said in the Bhagavad Gita there are more incarnations. So does it mean that these are the 10 main incarnations of Krishna?
That's right. Yes. In Bhagavad Gita, we have 24 incarnations. These 10 are the main incarnations. Yes. So if we will go and if we will see the other incarnations, then yes, we do have many other incarnations there. For example, Ved Vyas is considered to be one of the avatar, but he doesn't come in the main 10 incarnations. In the 10 incarnations, the one we are doing, they are the main ones what we do. Right? So, and we are very close. We only left with one more incarnation, and after that we are done here. Then we will move to back. We will move back to Bhagavad Gita, but then we will also have, and this is what I was saying, that what we can do, we will do another presentation after a while, which is very interesting. Because there was a king, and that king was going in the jungle for somebody, and his name was Avdut. He was a Brahmin, he was a saint, he was a mystic. And then he said, "You, who is your teacher?" And then he said, "I have not one, not two, not three, not four, not five. I have 24 teachers." Yeah. But we are not going to do that today. Kana, Shriyash, he's preparing a presentation on that. Right? And then all those 24 teachers, they are very different. And you will be surprised, out of 24, there are hardly any humans. There are few humans, they are animals, they are insects. So what do we learn from these? And that's the beauty.
There's also water and leaves
Yes.
and wind
Yes.
teachers.
So what we can learn from all these things and what that Brahmin said. So Dhruv and Sia are also here. Thank you. Hare Krishna. And Tanmay and Nirik, they could not join because they have exams. and Adi is missing. So I hope his health is good because he could not join for a few days. His dad is in touch. So we will see. So we have seen the story of Krishna, and most of you know the story of Krishna. So we are just reminding ourselves. And if you see, we went through how Krishna was born, how Krishna moved from Mathura, where he was born. मथुरा से कृष्णा निकल के फिर जाते हैं गोकुल, गोकुल से फिर वो जाते हैं वृंदावन. सो हाउ कृष्णा मूव्स फ्रॉम मथुरा टू गोकुल, गोकुल टू वृंदावन, और फिर वृंदावन से निकल के वो आते हैं वापस और फिर कंसा को मार देते हैं. उसके बाद फिर वो अर्जुन के चैरियटर बनते हैं, अर्जुन के सारथी बनते हैं. अर्जुन का जो रथ होता है वो भगवान कृष्ण चलाते हैं और अर्जुन को भगवत गीता का ज्ञान देते हैं. क्यों अर्जुन ने भगवत गीता का ज्ञान लिया? Why did Arjun become a student, the ideal student of Krishna? So everything will be recorded. Ved Vyas recorded that in Bhagavad Gita so we can take benefit. ताकि हम लोगों को उसका benefit मिल पाए. Right? So Krishna was always there helping each other, but the battle got to be there. And this is the book which they put together. And I can see Pihu. Pihu is so nice. See, Shivani will be so happy to see Pihu. Pihu is one of the best friend ever. Right? And Kuhu is also there. Okay. So Pihu, if you know any story about Krishna, if you want to share, please go on share. We share with each other all the stories. And we are discussing Bhagavad Gita. Then we will go back to Bhagavad Gita. In Bhagavad Gita, we were on 4.6, 4.7. और जिसके अंदर भगवान ये कहते हैं कि जब जब जरूरत पड़ती है मैं आता हूँ. जैसे कृष्ण आए और फिर उन्होंने बहुत सारे लोगों की पिटाई करी, डिजुम डिजुम, है ना. ऐसे कभी कभी होता है, बदमाशों की पिटाई करनी होती है तो कृष्ण आते हैं. एंड ये सबसे पहली बदमाश थी जिसको कृष्णा ने मारा. इनका नाम था पूतना. Okay. Here we go. Then the wind.
Wind demon.
The whirlwind. Trinavrata. Yes. Then we move to the Nal Kuber and Mani Grieve. We did the story of them. They were the sons of Kuber. कुबेर के सन होते हैं ये दोनों. An evil king, okay? Okay, an evil king. An evil king, Rohan said evil king. For whom? For Kamsa maybe. Yeah? Evil, not evil. Yes, Shivani is very nice. So, yes, Krishna helped everyone. And Krishna is going to help us as well. See, who remembers this guy? Vatsasura, yeah?
The calf demon.
The calf demon. The demon who became the calf. Why? Because Krishna loves calves. Okay, here you go.
A childish type of medality which gives rise to a type of which results is a wicked type of
mischievousness. Like you. All the kids are mischievous, right? Krishna is the super mischievous, very big. So Krishna always used to love her and play around with all those demons. Ooh, Bakasur, stalk. Remember?
Bakasur is the worst.
Yes. Cunning, duplicity, deceptiveness, false types of behavior. So ये जितने भी demon आए, all these demons, they represent something. In our life also we get these demons. Not in these forms, but we get them in different forms. Like it says duplicity. आपने देखा है कभी कभी हम कहते हैं, अर्नब आपने हाथी को देखा है? अर्नब ने हाथी देखा है? हाथी तो देखा होगा. हाथी देखा होगा अर्नब? नहीं, हाथी नहीं देखा आपने? नहीं. ओके, मम्मा को कहना मम्मा आपको हाथी दिखाएंगे. ठीक है, वेरी नाइस. हाथी के हमने बात करी थी. हाथी के 2 सेट ऑफ टीथ होते हैं. एक teeth होते हैं जो हाथी के दिखते हैं, the one which we see and the other one which we don't see, right? So elephant got two set of teeth, the one we see, the one we don't see. Similarly, there are so many people, and sometimes we are also like that, that we do something and we say something. So we will say, oh, पीहू के जो ये रेड कलर के ग्लासेस हैं बहुत क्यूट लग रहे हैं, right? So somebody will say, wow, you're looking so nice, but then at the back you will say, no, actually no, they were not looking nice. Shivani doesn't do that, but there are many who does it. So these kind of mentalities we should not have it, right? We should be always honest. We should not have what it called duplicity. Huh. If it's there not to hurt somebody's intentions. For example, your mama did the hard work putting the makeup and having the very nice sari. And then you will say, and the mama will say, Pihu, how am I looking? Or Sohani, how am I looking? And you say, Mama, you are looking horrible. Then that time it's not good to be that honest. Yes, imagine if you will say that to your mama, so that time you can say you're okay, but if you will be nice smiling, then you will be better. Yes, then you can be a little bit duplicit. Yeah, so always remember this. Otherwise, the main thing is your intentions. Your intention should be pure. So, as a devotee, what you say, you do. You don't mix together. You say something and you hide it and you do something else. No. You don't have deceptiveness. Deceptive is when you try to hide something. And Aghasur, the snake demon, cruelty and violence. You remember this one? Oh, anybody would like to say something? Do you remember this one? किसी को याद है अगासुर कौन था?
I do.
Oh,
I do.
okay, let's start from. Oh, okay, I will come back to Shivani. Let's start from Avni. So, Hani, we come to you as well. Avni, yes, you go on, please.
कोई परेशान साहब था.
Okay, thank you, Arnav. आप सही कह रहे हैं. Thank you. Yes, Avni, please.
Akasura disguised himself as a really big cave so that Krishna can go inside and Akasura can eat him, but it didn't work like that.
That's right. Yes,
No,
very
please.
nice. Okay, Shivani, yes.
It's basically that Krishna's friends spotted Akasur and then they thought to go inside. Krishna said, I'm coming. And then the friends went in and then they got stuck. And then Krishna went and saved them. And also when he was saving them, he killed the demon and ripped him apart. And he was a snake.
Wow, yes. So, Hani, you also had your hand up. Would you like to add something, please? Hani.
No.
Okay, all right. Arnav said it, Avni said it, Shivani said it, and I think Sohani wanted to say what others have said it. So, very nice. Well done. Yes, so remember this. Sometimes it comes like that. Ooh, what happened to Brahmaji?
Ah, Brahma. I know this one.
You know this one?
I remember the story.
Okay, let's go with Avni. Yeah, we come back to you. Yes, Avni. What's this story, please?
Brahmaji forgets that Krishna is the incarnation of Vishnu, and Brahmaji takes all of Krishna's friends and hides them up in the heavens.
Yes.
And then Krishna, he does this amazing thing where he duplicates himself, and then the duplicates of himself make his friends appear again.
Very nice.
No,
Yes. Yes. Good. Okay.
So basically, Brahma thought he was better than Krishna, and he took his friends away to see what Krishna would do. And then Krishna knew Krishna knew what Brahmaji was doing, and then he made himself into his friend. He himself into his friend, and then he started playing, and then Brahmaji was amazed and saw that I remember keeping his friends in the cave, and then he learned a lesson.
Yes. Very nice. Very nice. Pihu, do you know this story? Okay, Pihu, I can't hear you. Let me unmute you. Pihu, you are unmuted. Now if you will say something, I can hear you. Please. Did
I've heard all these stories.
you have heard all these stories?
Oh yeah, she watched Little Krishna.
Oh, because you watch Little Krishna.
Yes.
Hare Krishna. Very nice. That's very good. Very, very nice.
I know
Okay.
she watched.
Okay, Arnav, हाँ जी, अर्नव ने हाथ खड़ा किया है.
I see little Krishna.
Very nice. Arnav also saw Little Krishna. Arnav ने भी Little Krishna देखा. Well done.
I used to watch Little Krishna when I was 3.
Hari Bol. Thank you so much. It's good. It's very good because when you, this is what we say, because we got the senses. We need to engage the senses in Krishna consciousness. How many senses do we have? Anybody knows?
5.
5. Okay,
Plus
great.
6.
Thank you, Jay.
6.
Okay. Yeah, well, 6 sometimes people say, but yeah, 5 other senses. And one is watching,
6.
eyes. So we should always watch Krishna consciousness and that keeps us nice. Okay, let's
6.
move on.
Daddy, 6 because it's common sense.
Oh, common sense.
Get it?
Yes.
Sense.
Okay, thank you. So, Dhenukasur,
Oh, he's a horse.
he was it a horse or donkey or one of those breeds?
He was a horse and donkey combined.
Here we go. Thank you, Avni. He was one of those.
Can I tell this one?
Okay, go on, please.
So, basically there was a horse plus a donkey, and he was trying to catch Krishna and kill him beneath his paws. And Krishna, he grabbed one of his legs and spinned him and threw him in the sky.
Very nice.
And that
Okay, great. Thank you.
gross material
Yes, please. Jai.
A horse and a donkey combined is called a mule.
Yes, very nice, Jai. Thank you. It's such a nice, very, very intelligent, very wise. Yes. So, what Jai is saying that somebody crossbreed, if you have somebody who is a donkey and at the same time horse, then you call it mule.
donkey horse.
Not donkey horse. Yes, you're right, Jai. Thank you. Okay, then we have Kalia. Mataji did Kalia story yesterday. So we will leave it and I'm sure you have seen Kalia before. Sohani got it. Sohani, yes. Arnav, हम आपके पास आते हैं. Sohani, please.
About Kalia.
About Kalia, yes. Briefly.
So Krishna's friends were playing in the water.
Uh-huh.
Then Kalia came underneath the water. The water was poison everywhere. So then all of Krishna's friends were dead.
Yes.
Then Krishna tried to stop them. So Krishna was dancing on full of Kalia's head.
True.
And then he didn't kill Kalia.
Mm-hmm.
He said never come back to this state.
Yes. 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 Very nice. And then what happens that Kalia had many wives and they all prayed to Krishna, but Krishna, please don't kill him. You have already taken the poison out of Kalia, so he will not able to harm anyone. So please leave him. अर्नव का सिर्फ हाथ ही दिख रहा है. ओ अर्नव बड़ी देर से है. अर्नव सॉरी. हाँ जी.
I see something for you.
Oh, thank you. What is this? Little Krishna.
Big Krishna.
Is it Big Krishna? Okay, thank you, Arnav. Thank you so very much. Thank you. You're such a nice artist. No, you said your mom is artist and you draw. No, your mom draws and you do the drawing in it. No, your mom does the sketching and you do the drawing. Oh, coloring. That's the word. Oh, so confusing. But you're so good, Arnav. Thank you. Thank you so much.
ये मैंने बनाया है.
है आप ये बनाया भी आपने है. Very nice. Of course, if your mom is so nice, then you got to be so nice. Very nice. Okay. Then we got Pralambasur, killing the Pralamba demon. Who is this? Anybody remembers him? Pralamba. Arun is looking at the picture. Yes, please, Avni.
Is this the demon that took a form of Krishna and tried to steal all the cows?
The one who took the form of Krishna.
Yeah, like he changed his appearance to Krishna.
Yes, you can. Yeah, I know there are different versions of it. Yes, but you can say that. So yes, what happened? That yeah, you're very close. So he tried to. They were playing a game like Krishna used to play, and Krishna was. Remember all that. Krishna was very small, just at the age of all you guys are.
I think I know.
You know, okay, Jay, please go on.
I only know like a little bit of it. Yeah,
Okay,
so what
please.
happened?
Yeah.
He took form of a little boy, like a black boy,
Yes.
and he was, he acted as a kid and tried to play with Krishna's friends.
Yes.
Like they were playing that rope game, how the students like they would pull the rope, and
Yes.
then he wanted. Then after the game, he took all of them. He was like, "Come with me, come with me."
Yeah.
He grabbed him in the forest. In his
Great. Yes. Very nice. Thank you. Okay. Avni. Yes, Avni.
I remember the rest of the story now from the beginning.
All right. Okay, Avni, we come back to you. Let's hear from Sohani. Okay, we come back to you. Yes, Sohani, please.
So there was a little boy
Yes.
trying to get Krishna.
That's right. Yes. Yeah.
So he changed into like someone normal.
Yes. One. Yeah. Well, so he came. So Krishna cowherd. So he also became cowherd. Thank you. Let's hear from Avni. Hurry. Yes.
So this Kanta sent this demon to kill Krishna. So the demon thought he was going to get a lot of wealth from Kanta. So what he did, he went to a fire demon's cave,
Yes.
and then the fire demon and him partnered up. So the fire demon was in a forest, and he turned into a cowherd boy to play with Krishna.
Mm-hmm.
So Krishna was on one team and Balram was on the other. So Balram's team lost, and this demon was on Balram's team. So he carried Krishna to the forest where the fire demon was, and then the fire demon tried to blow Krishna and all his friends dead. But then Krishna sucked up all the fire, and then when the fire demon got killed, and he also killed this demon.
Hari bol. Very nice. Yes, Avni. You explained it very nicely. And it's always good to hear from you guys rather than me saying all the time. And have you seen this also? Do you remember this story from Little Krishna? Would you like to add anything what Avni has said? Okay, Pihu is thinking. But yes, very nice. So there was a tug of war. And then that's where one side lost, and the deal was whoever will lose going to carry the other team members and then going to run for a while. And yes, that's how Krishna got hold of that demon. Or initially the demon thought that I got hold of Krishna. But of course, we know that it was other way around. Very nice. And then overcoming the pride of Indra. Anybody remembers how Krishna made Indra very humble? Okay, Avni, yes, please.
So it was the season where everyone had to worship Indra, and Indra was feeling very proud. And then Krishna said that instead of worshipping Indra, we should worship Govardhan Parvat.
Yeah.
And then because he was the ruler of the little village, everyone had to agree to him. So that's what they did. And then Indra he got angry, and then he made a really big stove in Vrindavan,
Mm-hmm.
and then that's when Krishna lifted up Govardhan Parvat to
Yes.
protect everyone. And then Indra realized that he made a mistake and came down in a form of a Brahmin
Mm-hmm.
to talk to Krishna. And then
Yes.
that's how Krishna made Indra humble.
Hari Bo. Thank you. Very nice. Yeah. So, yes, okay. Pihu, please. You got your hands up. Let me unmute you. Go on, Pihu. Okay. Oh, Pihu also. Pihu is also a very nice artist. Pihu, it's other way. If you can you twist it? I think it's upside. No, it's vertical. Where is it gone? Okay, yes. Very nice. Is it Krishna and Radha ji with a peacock feather? I know. Yes. Thank you. I know Pihu is very nice in drawing and sketch. Pihu and Shivani, they used to sketch together. Now Shivani misses Pihu because Pihu has moved a bit further. But after lockdown, we are going to see Pihu. Pihu is a very devotee. Thank you, Pihu. अर्नव, आपको
Yes.
आपको पता है इंद्रा कौन है? इंद्र इंद्र है जो जितने देवी देवता हैं उनके लीडर. Anybody knows who is the father of Indra? Oh, okay. So there is a saint whose name is. Anybody? Anybody?
Prabhu,
Yes, please.
I just wanted to say something.
Yes,
When
go on,
Krishna
Jay.
when Krishna lifted the mountain of the hill, he lifted it with his pinky finger.
Yes. And for how long? Anybody remembers when Krishna, on his pinky finger, he lifted the Govardhan hill, the Govardhan mountain, for 7 days and 7 nights. Yeah. Oh, Krishna is so powerful. But of course, only Krishna can do that. None of us would able to do. Yes, Sohani.
Isn't 7 days and 7 nights a week?
Yes, it is. Yes, it's a week, 7 days and 7 nights. Krishna, because Indra requested the wind and the water to torment Vrindavan. So can you imagine the column? You know when Narsimha Dev came out from a big column, yeah. So वो हम हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? खंबा. That's how big the droplets were. So it was not the little rain we get here in England, in London. They were the big, big, big. That was like the worst. Yes, Sohani.
Indra was the rain god.
Indra is actually the leader of all the demigods. And there is somebody else called Varun Dev. He is the water god. So what he did, Indra requested Varun Dev to go and do a massive rainfall in Vrindavan. Because he's the leader, he leads, he gives the instruction to everyone. So we have Agni Dev, the one who gives Agni. Agni is fire. है ना अर्नव, आपने फायर देखी है? आपके घर में अगर फायर है तो वो अग्निदेव से आती है. द विंड कम्स फ्रॉम पवन देव और वायु. Water from Varun. Similarly, we have different demigods for different things, and Krishna has given them the power. And these are placeholders. What are placeholders? Like these are places which hold the positions. So, for example, in the school, we have principal, and anybody could become principal who is, well, qualified enough to become a principal, right? But anybody in future, if you will do nice studies, then you can become principal of a school, right? Similarly, if you will do so many pious activities, you can become Indra, you can become a demigod, we can become, anybody can become. But being devotee, our aim is not to become a demigod. Our aim is to become devotee of Krishna, right? However, demigods are also devotees of Krishna, so we should always request them. Okay, so before we finish the time today and we do a little bit of kirtan, I will tell you one story you might not have heard, but let's see if we have finished here. Okay, Nand Maharaj. Ah, this is a very nice story though. Let's check this one. Anybody knows this story? I think this story was not covered in the Little Krishna. So, we who might not know, Little Krishna is very nice, and Little Krishna has given a lot of stories to all the children across the globe, which is very good. But obviously, they cannot do all the stories. In Bhagavatam, there are many stories. And there is one story which is Nanda Maharaj. Who knows who is Nanda Maharaj? Yes, Avni?
The father of Krishna.
Yes, very nice. Yes, Arnav? अर्नव आप म्यूट पे हैं, मैं आपको अनम्यूट कर दूं. हाँ जी, अर्नव आपको मालूम है?
Krishna.
Yes, yes. Nand Maharaj was the father. हैं? अरे बाबा, वेरी नाइस.
मूवी में देखा है.
मूवी में देखा है आपने? बहुत अच्छा अर्नव, बहुत अच्छा. Very good. So what happened once, now as it says, Nanda Maharaj captured by Varuna. Now remember, I was just saying Varun Dev is the god of water. Yes, Sohani, please.
Why is Nanda Maharaj sitting on a crocodile?
Ah, well, actually, the one who is sitting on crocodile is not Nand Maharaj. The one sitting on crocodile is Varun Dev, the demigod who takes care of the water. So when we need the water, he's the one who gives the water, right? And his seat, his vehicle is crocodile, because crocodile lives in the water and crocodile is much faster. I remember I went to a crocodile farm in Nairobi in Kenya when I was traveling, and I went to visit a crocodile farm. There were crocodiles all over the place, and I asked one of the guy there who used to be the caretaker. He said, I asked him, uh, do I have any chance if crocodile will chase me? He said, yes. If crocodile will chase you on land, then you might able to go away. Yeah, maybe you can if you run that fast, because crocodiles are not that fast, but on land. But if you are in water, you cannot run away from crocodiles. Yes, Sohan.
At the title, it says Nanda Maharaj captured by Varun Dev.
Yes. What happened?
So there's a bit in the story that Nanda Maharaj has been captured by Varun.
Yes. Actually, not by Varuna, but Varuna also have many people working for him, right? So because he is also a demigod, so demigods, they have the servants. So the servants thought Nand Maharaj was in the water doing the prayers, and every month we get what we call Ekadashi. Ekadashi is the 11th day. So we have a moon calendar. The calendar we follow usually 30 days, 31 days. That's called Georgian calendar, the Western calendar. But the moon calendar is what we follow in the scriptures, or even in India, for all the different functions we do. It depends on the moon waxing and moon waning. If you see what happens in 15 days, from no moon will go slowly, gradually increase, and it will become full moon. And then again from 15 days from full moon, gradually it will disappear, and we call waning, and it will become no moon, and this will continue. And this takes roughly 15 days. 1, 2, 3. And then 11th day is called Ekadashi. In a month we get to Ekadashi. Now on the 12th day, it says, it used to be those days, and a special 12th day, we should not take bath in the holy river. But Nand Maharaj was taking a bath. Later on, Varun Dev found out that that was not the case. He could, on that day, he could have. But Varun Dev's messengers were there, and because they were taking bath in the water, they thought Nand Maharaj should not take bath, but he's doing it, so he's breaking a rule. For example, in London, if you drive more than 70 miles per hour, then police will capture you. Well, first police will take your picture, but if you will still not stop, police will capture you and take you away. So that's what happened. Because Varun is the demigod of the water, and because his servants thought that Nand Maharaj is breaking the law, what they did, they captured him and they took him under the sea where Varun Dev lives, in the water. And then what happened? Krishna went there. Now Krishna did not kill Varuna, but Krishna asked Varuna, what did you do? Why did you do? And then he explained that, let me check. Because he was not sure then that Krishna's father was there. Then he asked his messengers, why did you capture Krishna's father? And then they said, well, because he broke the law. They said, okay, go and check again, go and find out again. And then they found out later, they're so sorry that he was breaking the law, it was our mistake. So Varuna said sorry to Krishna, and Varuna released Nand Maharaj. And that was one of those things that Krishna made his father released. Nand Maharaj, oh, this is another one. Oh, there was a snake who completely ate Nand Maharaj. Oh, and then Krishna again had to go, and Krishna had to help. Now this time what happened? Krishna's, let's check. Oh, we only have 6 minutes. Okay. All right. Okay. This is the last slide, which is good. So because it's good that we will start we will start Kalki Avatar tomorrow. The Avatar not many people know about, and that's the Avatar which will come next. On this, what happens? Nand Maharaj was swallow. I mean, think about it. You have heard of cobra, the big snakes. What they do? They open their mouth so wide they can grab hold. They just, without biting, they can swallow. Yes, Sohani.
Cobras spit poison out of their mouth.
Yes. These snakes, they are very, very. You're right. Cobra could be very poisonous. But most of the time, rather than giving you the poison and killing you, what they do, or sometimes they kill you, but most of the time they like to. They will make you faint, and you will not able to run. That's how they prey, and then they swallow you. The whole body will go into the snake's body, and if you see the picture, that's what happening. And then what happened? And that snake goes in, and it says Shankachura, killing the conch shell. Now this Varun, Krishna's father, was lost in the sea again, but this time was not with Varun. What Varun Dev said actually, yeah, my messengers came, but it's not with me. It's this time it's with Shankarachur. So Shankarachur was another demon. And then what Krishna did? Krishna killed that demon who was under the water. And if you know, in the water we have conch shells, right? Have you seen the conch shell? The one we blow. Yeah. So we should blow every morning, every evening. And this is what Krishna was. When Krishna killed that demon, Shankarachur, then that within the body of the demon, there was a shank called conch shell. And that's the conch shell Krishna,
Why is it half snake and half human?
because he was a demon. Demon can,
Did he swallow his dad?
yeah, he swallowed Krishna's dad. Imagine. But this is the kind of demons. Demons sometimes they envy. Yes, Sohani.
Who is Sankatu?
Shankarachur. Yes, that's him, Shankarachur. And then when Krishna went inside the water and killed him, Krishna got this conch shell. Anybody knows the name of Krishna's conch shell? The one he blows in the first chapter of Bhagavad Gita. Who is Shankarachur? Okay, Arnav is drawing. Krishna Chaitanya is moving.
How do you know I'm moving if my camera's off?
Because some noise coming, some voice coming, Krishna Chaitanya. I think we love you so much, we can figure out then you are moving. Is Govind?
Why is your name changed?
Because it's not my name, it's Aryan's mother's name. Today is Aryan's mother's birthday. And she was doing a birthday party on this link. And that's why she changed the name. Oh, wow. Aryan changed the name. Oh, we changed the name. Aryan is looking at me.
It's 12 o'clock a.m. I mean, it's 4 o'clock.
Yes, it's good time. And what we will do, Krishna Chaitanya, because you are here, now we have done all the demons. From tomorrow we will do the next avatar, which is the last avatar of 10th avatar, Dash avatar series, and then we will move back to Bhagavad Gita. Krishna Chaitanya, would you like to do Hare Krishna Mahamantra 3 times for today?
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare
Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Ram Hare Hare. Hari Hari Bol. Thank you so much, Krishna Chaitanya. Such a pleasure to have you. And